Welcome, traveler. Let's take a moment to escape into a different realm, shall we? The surface above shimmers like a distant memory. No pain, just a gentle dissolving, a merging of who you are with the very essence of this land. You're not devoured. You're woven into the very fabric of existence here. No longer just a participant in this dream, you are the dream itself. You see the world through 1,000 eyes. The sharp gaze of an owl perched high above.
Owlie.
The delicate flutter of a butterfly's wings. The intricate dance of mycelium beneath the forest floor.
Owie.
You begin to feel the weight of a samurai's honor resting on your shoulders. They are gentle guides, beckoning travelers like you back into the warm embrace of the earth. The fleeting joy of a geisha's smile lighting up your heart. You are the roots anchoring the world, the canopy that reaches for the stars. A dream of endless cycles, growth and decay, silence and song. You're the shadow stretching long at dusk, the silence settling in after a storm. You're becoming part of the mountain, part of the memory, part of the dream. It resonates within you, a low, guttural vibration that reverberates in your chest, in your skull, in every cell of your being. Here, there's no individual identity, only the grand, undifferentiated hum of being. You're a single drop in an infinite ocean, yet within that drop, the entire ocean resides. You're no longer falling, floating, suspended in a boundless ocean of awareness. It has always been your own. There's only the endless now, the eternal dream of the forest. You're the whispering wind through the pines, the gentle caress of the mist, the groan of the ancient bamboo. You are the whisper of secrets carried on the wind, the untold stories held within the rings of 1,000-year-old tree. Here, they hold no meaning, just a pure spirit that flows freely. With each breath, you expand, encompassing more, becoming more. The quiet devotion of a monk's prayer echoing in your mind. It's the song of life and death, forever intertwined. And the primal terror of a child lost in the woods wrapping around you like a thick fog. You are the quiet hum, the gentle sway, the deep, dark heart of the sleeping wood. You are the forest, and the forest remembers. A fleeting reminder of the world you've just left behind. You're not a newcomer here. You're the sap flowing, carrying the essence of 1,000 lives upward, nurturing new growth, sustaining the endless cycle. You're simply returning to a place that feels like home. Imagine drifting into a world that feels like a whisper from the past, where shadows dance and silence reigns. Picture feudal Japan, where the nights stretch long and the forest stands as a watchful guardian, holding secrets that only the wind dares to share. As you step into this world, the water envelops you, wrapping around you like a cool embrace. It steals the breath from your lungs, dims the light in your eyes. But don't panic, okay? There's this strange, deep acceptance that washes over you. The cold isn't just a chill. It seeps into your bones, reaching deep into your very essence. It's the cold of ages past, of forgotten sorrows, and of a hunger that has waited lifetimes to be acknowledged. This grip isn't gentle, it's strong and unyielding, pulling you down into the abyss. Below the surface, darkness reigns supreme, but there's a glimmer of something, a faint, phosphorescent glow from a pale hand still holding yours. It's not light in the traditional sense. It's more like a vibration, a resonance in the depths that connects you to everything around you. As you descend deeper into the blackness, there's no struggle. You are every soul that has ever walked this land. Every drop of blood spilled, every tear shed, every breath taken is now a part of you. You become the echo of their lives, the sum of their experiences. A branch reaching toward the pale moon, sighing under the weight of untold stories. It doesn't take from you, becomes part of you. These aren't just distinct beings. They're extensions of this collective consciousness, manifestations of the forest's longing for connection and return. The bruises on your body, the stiffness in your movements there, just echoes of a physical form you've left behind. That world you knew, it feels so distant now, like a fleeting illusion. This is the true reality, the deep, abiding truth of existence. This is home. It's a dream that's both ancient and ever new, a testament to the enduring power of life and the embrace of eternal return. You are the silent, sleeping giant, dreaming the world into existence, holding it in its timeless embrace. Feel that subtle shift of the seasons, the slow passage of clouds across the sky. The distant tremor of an earthquake years away? This is the lament of the forest, a symphony of loss and renewal, of ancient wisdom and eternal becoming. As your form begins to unravel, your edges blur, and your substance diffuses into the vastness around you. The boundaries of who you were dissolve completely, leaving behind a pure, unadulterated consciousness connected to everything boundless and eternal. This is the song of the deep, the ancient rhythm of the earth's hidden heart. And as you sink deeper, you realize that the song is your own. You're the rustle of leaves, the distant cry of a nocturnal bird, the soft splash of a frog in the pond. You are the silence between heartbeats, the quiet murmur of the earth as it breathes. Shapes begin to emerge from the gloom, vast and indistinct, like mountains shrouded in mist. As you approach, you see that it's not a singular entity, but a tapestry woven from countless beings. Faces of warriors, courtesans, monks, peasants, children, and elders. Some are contorted in fear, others serene in death, all etched with the wisdom of forgotten ages. But you're not alone in this abyssal chamber. The pressure builds, not of water, but of presence. You're drawn closer to one of these titanic forms. It's immense, an edifice of shadow and ancient power. Faces begin to appear, fleeting and ephemeral, like shadows flickering in a fire. These are the faces of those who have knelt before, who have offered their essence to the forest's hunger. They are the true inhabitants of this place, the ancient ones, the silent watchers who dream beneath the earth. The forest's hunger isn't a monstrous force, it's a gentle integration. It doesn't destroy, it absorbs. They hold the forest's memory, their roots reaching not just into the soil, but into the very fabric of time. The hum returns, but now it's no longer just a sound outside of you. The metallic temps of fear, the rust on your tongue, has vanished, replaced by the sweet, earthy taste of eternity. The pale hand that's been holding yours tightens its grip, pulling you deeper into the heart of this great being. The forest breathes through you, its ancient, rhythmic exhalation and inhalation. And as you look upon them, you see your own face shimmering into existence among them, then fading back into the collective. And in this profound quiet, as the forest dreams, you dream with it. Thoughts, feelings, memories, they surge through you, not yours, but a torrent of collective consciousness. It's overwhelming, yet strangely peaceful. Time ceases to exist. So take a moment to reflect on this. How does it resonate with you? What stories do you carry within you waiting to be told? The forest isn't just a place. It's a living entity, a reminder of the cycles of life and death, of renewal and growth. It's a testament to our shared existence, a place where every whisper and rustle tells a story. You become the root stretching deep into the black soil, drawing sustenance from the forgotten dead. The mournful flute music returns, no longer a separate sound, but an emanation from within. And in this deep, silent consciousness, you finally understand the figure at the shrine, the silent watchers at the pond. As you settle into this profound absorption, a new awareness stirs within you. The water, once colder than death, now feels like a warm embrace, a maternal cradle. You are the memory of falling leaves, the strength of ancient stones, the patience of slow-growing moss. There's no desire to leave, no yearning for the surface world. So what do you think about this journey? Isn't it incredible how we can feel so deeply connected to something so vast and timeless? This experience isn't just about being lost. It's about finding a part of ourselves we didn't know was missing.